Today I will show how to quickly prepare an avocado and mango salsa for a wrap. Peel and cut one ripe mango into cubes. About 3/4 of a cup. Place cubed mango in a bowl. Add 1/4 cup green onion finely sliced. Add 1/4 cup red onion finely diced. Add 2 tablespoons finely cut cilantro. Add 1 avocado, peeled and finely sliced. Add 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lime juice. Add 1/4 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of red pepper powder. Mix well, then add 1 jalapeno pepper finely sliced. Mix again and fill roti or taco shell and make a wrap. Enjoy with some fresh juice.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, then give us a thumbs up. And if you are new here, then please subscribe to our channel. Bye bye for now.